Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're on the call and ready to cancel it. First, glance down to confirm the screen is awake and the call UI is visible. If the display locked, tap once to wake it. Make sure cellular or Wi-Fi calling indicator shows. Once done, locate the red end call button or the phone app in the foreground. If you're using a headset, note where its hang-up control sits. This initial setup ensures the next tap ends the call without fumbling or accidental disconnects. Now stop the call. Tap the red end call button in the call UI firmly once. You'll hear the line drop immediately. If the screen is unresponsive, press the side, power, button, or double press the AirPods/third-party headset hang-up control to terminate. If you're in another app and the phone UI is hidden, swipe up or tap the green status bar to return to the call screen, then end it. Make sure you observe the disconnected tone or silence. Finish by verifying the call actually ended. You should see the home screen or the call ended message and audio stops. If the call appears stuck, force close the phone app by swiping it away from the app switcher, then reopen. If that fails, toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds, then off to reset radios. This forces disconnection. Make sure to check the recents list to confirm the call timestamp. If you still hear audio, reboot the iPhone as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.